Okay, hello. So this is how you automatically assign 0 grades to students. So go to the grade book. You know how to get here. So go to the grade book, and then once you're in the grade book, go over and click this settings icon on the right. So go ahead and click the icon, and you will have late policies, grade posting policies, advanced. Just stay on the late policies, and this automatically apply grade for missing submissions. Click that button. Right now, it gives the students 100%. We don't want them to get 100%. We want them to get nothing or 0. So we're going to change this to 0%. And if you have other late policies, like you automatically apply some kind of deduction for submission. So for, let's see, this class, not for this class, but for one of my other classes, they get like a 5% for every day it's done. So you can do that as well if you want to, but since you just want to do zeros, just go ahead, click that, put the 0 in, and click apply settings. So if you look right now, I took it off for this class, so you would see the classes that these students don't have anything because they haven't submitted an assignment. And when I go ahead and click apply settings, you see that there's now 0. So everybody has a 0 that hasn't submitted an assignment. So easy peasy. And I usually just do that, when I'm setting up the class. I go ahead and do that as well. But if you have any other late assignment policies, you can use this link to make those adjustments too. Okay. Hope this helps. Thanks.